I wish to congratulate the Zimbabwe military for the step, the initiative they took. The initiative they took to try and block the ascendancy of Grace Mugabe to be president of Zimbabwe. This is the main reason, really, they decided to take the steps that they took. And they did so by persuading the president to step down and leave that seat to other people who would be able to guide the country, redirect the country to the values and aspirations of the liberation struggle. And that is the simple act that they did. And as far as I'm concerned, they stand to be applauded. It was not a coup. They wanted to correct what they saw going the wrong direction.